In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add anti-spam Google re-Captcha to Contact Form 7. You can easily add anti-spam Google re-Captcha to your contact form. I'm going to show you how to do this by adding re-Captcha v3 on this form. If you don't know how to create forms using Contact Form 7, then I'll link a video in the description that you can check out. So, back in your dashboard, go to Contact, then click on Integrations. Go to the re-Captcha integration, and click on Set Up Integration. And we need to enter the site key and secret key here. To get them, you need to visit the Google re-Captcha site. I'll link it in the description below. Then click here on the v3 Admin Console. In the label, enter your website name, in the re-Captcha type, select re-Captcha v3. In the domain, enter your website domain. And then accept the terms of service, and click on Submit. And now you get the site key and secret key. So just paste them in the plugin's CAPTCHA settings, and then click on Save Changes. And you can see that CAPTCHA was integrated. Now, if I go to the same form and reload this page, then you can see here that we have the Google re-Captcha added to this form here. This is how you can add anti-spam Google re-Captcha to Contact Form 7. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.